Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Della, also known as Natural Ghana Girl, and today I'm here to show you this 3-bedroom property in Ayi Mensah. This is amazing. You guys have asked for affordable properties, so today I'm bringing you this house, which is going for $140,000. Let's rush straight inside. Okay, so as we enter inside, you'll see that this is in like a bit of an open plan space, okay? So immediately open the door, you'll be welcomed by the living room space, okay? In here is nice and bright. We've got lots of light coming in because we have really big windows here, which is gonna allow the light in. Okay, we have AC units. We have ample space to put a really nice large sofa space in here, so you can definitely relax in here with your family and kind of make the space work for what you want. Okay, and just behind me over here, we have the dining area, okay? I really love this space because it's just so nice and welcoming. So, you know, as some of you may be sitting down watching TV, some of you can sit here while you're having dinner. And so it makes it nice and got a really nice kind of family feel about it, okay? Now, I'm sure you can already see over here, there's a nice window which you can see straight into the kitchen, which is really nice for the person who's cooking. So they don't have to feel kind of cut off from what's going out in here. So for those of you that don't particularly like open plan kitchens, this is a really great compromise because you can still see in, but you can also have the door closed, and so the kitchen is also separate, so you won't get any of the aromas coming out of the kitchen into the house if that's not what you would like, okay? But let's head into the kitchen this way. You can see right here, the kitchen, this is a really, really nice big space, okay? This is not overdone, so we don't have too much space, so we don't know what we're doing. We have a really good amount of space here, okay? So we have like a breakfast bar here, so if you have children or for you yourself, you can put some chairs here and absolutely sit here and eat if you want, or you can just use it as space for being able to, you know, put your extra dishes and stuff if that's what you want. Okay, so this is a really nice workable kitchen here, and this door here leads us straight outside. Okay, so this is a balcony area here. Balcony area, can we call it a balcony area? I'm not sure. But we have this outside space, okay? And this just basically goes right around the house if that's what you'd like to do, okay? But if you're the type that likes the outdoor kitchen, that's a great space to use for an outdoor kitchen as well. And just beside over here, we have this storage space. So if you're a storage space kind of person like me, okay, we have enough space right here. You can put a deep freezer in here if you would like. You can put away your bulk shopping, anything like that goes in here, okay, which is really good. Every house needs storage space, right? And I mustn't forget, the downstairs obviously does have a downstairs bathroom as well, okay? So if you have visitors over, they can absolutely use the washroom here. So I'm going to take you upstairs now, okay? So let's go. Okay. So now I actually really like the idea of the banister being glass. This is tempered glass, so you don't need to worry if you have children and things like that about it breaking, okay? This kind of makes the place feel very much open, so it doesn't close off the space, because sometimes staircases can kind of close off the space in the house, but this is glass, so you can see through, so it still feels like a very open space, which is really, really nice. Now, as we get to the top of the stairs, we have the 3 bedrooms up there, okay? We have this really nice landing space. I wouldn't say it, I mean, you could use it as a family area if you wanted to, but I think it's just nice as a landing space in general. I wouldn't really want to do too much with this. I think it'd just be nice to kind of put some decoration in the corner there and just make it really nice and welcoming as you walk up the stairs. Okay, so let's check out one of the rooms. So this is bedroom number 1. Now, bedroom number 1 is a fairly decent size, right? You can get a good sized bedroom in here, good sized bed in here. Again, we have 2 large windows with the mosquito nets, so you have enough light coming in. We also have an ensuite bathroom here as well. So we have our shower area and all the things that you need in a bathroom, right? So if you also wanted to, you could actually make this into like a fitted wardrobe space. So you could absolutely close this off and put some kind of door here and have your clothes in here so that it doesn't take away from the size of the room. I think that's a great idea there for you. So let's head to bedroom number 2 now. So bedroom number 2, again, a similar kind of size. In fact, I think this is probably a slightly smaller than the other one. Okay, so in here you'll see again we have another ensuite bathroom, which is really nice. So you get to have your privacy. If you're that kind of person where you don't necessarily want to share a bathroom, you can have your own bathroom there, which is great. Okay, and now I'm going to take you to the primary bedroom. Now, I really love this. You can see immediately as we come in here, it's just so nice and bright. I really, really like this. And I love the way there's like this kind of partition sort of thing here. So I guess if you wanted to, you could make this into some type of closet if you wanted to, or you can definitely use the space for something. I would definitely be inclined to use this space for something because it just, I don't know, it would just beautify the room. We can use this for something, absolutely. Now this is a really big space, and I actually really like the tiles that are used on the floor here because it just brightens up the room and it just makes it feel so much more welcoming. You could definitely spend a lot of time in here without thinking, oh my gosh, I need to get out of my room. This is a really good space, okay? And we have the balcony area here. You can see we have really nice big doors so that you can just step out there in the morning and enjoy the view. I love the glass that's used in here. And again, obviously it is an ensuite bathroom. Being the primary bedroom, it has to have an ensuite, right? Now this shower area is really, really, really big, okay? I'm sure 2 people could actually fit in there, okay? We can get 2 people in here, and this is beautiful. I love the fixtures that they've kind of put in here too. A really, really nice space. So you guys have asked for something a little bit more reasonable in the videos I've been doing recently. Okay, so this house is a 3-bedroom house in the Ayi Mensah area. It's going for $140,000, okay? Now you can secure this house with a $5,000 deposit, and you can pay up to 2 years, okay? If you're not sure about the 2 years, you can absolutely speak to developer and you can kind of maybe negotiate on certain things. But this is a really great house. As you can see for yourself, it's very nice, light and airy. It's a great location as well. We're very close to Ayarafa Mall. Now, in this current development where we're at, there are only 7 properties, and I believe there's only 2 left here. 1 or 2, I'm not sure. 1 or 2 left here. But that's okay because the developer actually has another site right across the road where he's building another 30 units, okay? So I would say that if you're looking to buy, this is a really great opportunity. While the houses are still in construction, you can then perhaps speak to developer and you can come to some compromise on some of the customizations you would like in the house. So this is a really good time to buy. So if you're interested in this house at all, I will put all the details into the description box for you. You can contact me, naturalghanagirl@gmail.com, and I will put you in touch with a developer and you can absolutely go from there. But this is a really, really great house. I'm sure you will love it. You can also come and have a viewing as well and see for yourself. Great area. To get here from the main road was really not bad at all, and the journey was pretty easy. So that is the end of the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Okay, like I said, if you're interested in this, please contact me at naturalghanagirl@gmail.com and I will respond to your messages. Okay, if you haven't already subscribed, please do me a favor, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Don't forget to also like, comment and share this video for me. Until next time, I am out. Nuti Papa.